run was 88.062.
The second run was 84.165.
Yes.
Doing an average of
86.069.
Was that necessary? Yeah. Well done.
Well done, well done.
Well done. Excellent.
Well done.
Well done, team. Well, what a relief, really, more than anything else. All the little hiccups we've had today, and now we have a new Guinness World Record. So it's a fantastic feeling, fantastic.
And we now hear that Bobby is going to try and beat your new record.
Absolutely, records are set to be broken. We've broken his, he'll have a go at breaking ours, but we might have a go tomorrow and push this up a bit higher. But Bobby will go faster, I'm sure, when he gets back to America.
Can you make 100 miles an hour, do you think?
I don't know. This surface isn't probably the best place to put it on. Tomorrow we'll go a little bit quicker, I'm sure.